We cut across to breaking news coming in. Another 70 to 80 kgs of IEDs have been detected by security forces at Saimutral in the Pulwama district. This is the second IED that has been recovered today. Earlier forces had recovered IED at Pansgam, which has been defused. Zeenat is joining us live on the broadcast. Zeenat, what are you picking up?
See, Suesha, this is the second IED that has been recovered by police in South Kashmir, and this time the IED has been recovered from the Saimutral. In fact, the IED was buried in a crop field where from the IED has been recovered, and it has a weight of some 70 to 80 kgs. It was in a container fitted with a wire. Police have recovered the IED, and also person who has been identified from Saimutral itself. He has buried the IED in an crop field where from the police and the army had recovered it. In fact, the bomb disposal squad is also on its way. This is the second IED in South Kashmir that have been recovered since morning.
But Zeenat, let's also understand that this is happening for the second time in the same day. What more have you been able to pick up in terms of investigation also into this by the security forces? How was it planned? Any leads into who could be keeping it, and any network they have been able to uncover on this?
See, Suesha, as far as the IED that has been recovered from Saimutral, in fact, the police was having some information about one of the persons who has been identified as Amir, that he's having an IED, and when he was picked up by the police, he was interrogated, and then he gave the location about the IED where he has buried, and then police along with the army reached a particular spot in a crop field where from they recovered this IED, which is of 70 to 80 kg fitted with wires and was placed in a container. Now the bomb disposal squad is trying to defuse it. If you talk about the IED challenge, is a big challenge for the security forces, because terrorists try to damage more and more through the IEDs to send more and more damage to the security forces. Although we have been seeing in anti-terror operations where maximum the IED experts from the Pakistani terrorists were neutralized by Jammu Kashmir police along with the army, and also those terrorists who were not only having the mastery, but they were also providing, who were also teaching the local terrorists how to assemble IEDs. Many such terrorists were neutralized in anti-terror operation. But again, we see that JKP Corps, or for that matter, Indian Army, has been maintaining that the IED is a bigger challenge for the security forces than the terrorist number increasing in the valley.
All right, Zeenat, many thanks for those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. And we are now getting you a story.